Apple's Cleanup tool makes removing those distractions easier than ever. Here's how it works. Cleanup tool on iOS 26. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now select the photo you want to edit. Tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. This opens Apple's built-in photo editor. Next, choose the Cleanup tool. The first time you use it, Apple may download the required AI resources. Wait for the setup to finish. Apple Intelligence analyzes the image and identifies the objects. Or you can also circle, brush, or tap the object you want to remove. The selected object will be removed, but you can notice the leftover marks. Repeat the same to get a clear image. When you're happy with the edit, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your cleaned up photo is automatically saved and ready to share. Cleanup tool on iOS 27. Apple has made the Cleanup tool even smarter in iOS 27. Start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to edit. Tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. From the Editing menu, tap Tools. Then choose Cleanup. Simply circle, brush, or tap the object you want to remove. At the bottom, click on Cleanup. iOS 27 usually produces cleaner edges and more natural backgrounds. When you're happy with the edit, tap Done in the top right corner. iOS 26 versus iOS 27 comparison. Processing speed. iOS 26, slightly slower. iOS 27, faster AI processing. Edge accuracy. iOS 26, may leave artifacts. iOS 27, cleaner edges and smoother fills. And that's how you can see the difference between iOS 26 and iOS 27.